How to delete TD Auto Finance app account? First of all, open the app on your device and log in using your registered username and password to access your account. Next, tap on the menu icon with three horizontal lines usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down through the menu options until you find the Help or Contact Us section, since TD Auto Finance doesn't provide a direct option to permanently delete your account within the app itself. Here you will need to get in touch with the TD Auto Finance customer service team. You can either call their official support number or use the contact form to request account closure. Then explain that you want to delete or close your TD Auto Finance account, and the representative will guide you through the verification process to ensure your request is secure and legitimate. Finally, once your request is verified and approved, your TD Auto Finance account will be permanently deleted and you will no longer be able to access the app using your login credentials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.